What's up guys, always here with another brand new video. Today we are unboxing the long awaited MacBook Air. So remember guys, this laptop was not updated design wise for years and was only given minor spec bumps, and the major disappointment was that it didn't even have a Retina display. Let's just go straight into the unboxing. Lift this up. Wow, this looks stunning. Let's put this to one side. We get a USB-C charge cable. You have the usual user guide, terms and conditions, and of course the Apple stickers. Unfortunately not silver. And of course you get a 30-watt USB-C power adapter with interchangeable head. Comparing it to the MacBook Pro, it is incredibly small. The Air weighs in at 1.25 kg. It has a 1.6 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 and 128GB SSD. Profile on the MacBook Pro is constantly the same. The width doesn't change, whereas on the Air it tapers down to give it an incredibly thin look. Of course you get the latest Thunderbolt 3 ports. On the Pro you get 4, and on the Air you only get 2 ports. But that's not it. You can configure this MacBook with 1.5TB of SSD, 16GB of memory, has up to 30 days of standby time, Intel UHD graphics 617, 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology, and of course the 3rd gen butterfly keyboard with individually backlit keys. A lot of you may be confused as to where this sits in the MacBook lineup. Well, this is better than the MacBook, but not as powerful as the Pro lineup. But you definitely can edit a 4K video and export it at a reasonable time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm out. Peace.